Welcome to this quick guide of Accsoon V-Lock adapter. It's perfect for rigging the transmitter to a camera setup. Open box and you'll get the V-Lock adapter itself. The front side is for connecting and providing power to the camera. The bottom 1/4" screw is for securing the transmitter. The DC plug provides power to the transmitter. And the back side is for connecting and directly drawing power from the mount battery. To install, make sure the locating holes on the transmitter align with the locating pins on the adapter. Then, tighten the 1/4" screw on the bottom. Definitely make sure it's tightened and secure. And then finally, insert the DC plug. The V-Lock adapter is compatible with both CineView Master 4K and CineView 2 SDI. The installation process is the same. Putting Master 4K onto the adapter first, tighten the 1/4" screw on the bottom. Then plug in the DC power input. Now that we learned how to install the transmitter to the adapter, let's install it to a camera rig. Mount the adapter to the camera and then install the battery. Or it could be the other way around. Install the battery first and then put it onto the camera. For video input, connect the SDI or HDMI output of the camera to the SDI or HDMI input on the transmitter. And there you go, a wireless camera rig with minimal cables, and they all blend seamlessly together. This can make your wireless setup much easier to handle while operating, and it works exceptionally well with cameras that comes with V-mount built in for wireless handheld setup. Thank you for watching.